Hello, welcome back to Healthy with Heartland. I'm your host, Chef Arden. So today we're going to be working on everybody's little guilty pleasure. I'm talking about mac and cheese, but not just your typical mac and cheese. A butternut squash mac and cheese. This itself is going to just add more of a body to the mac and cheese. It's going to add a nice flavor to it. So we're working with the Heartland product. It comes diced already. Butternut squash is actually very versatile. You can use it for savory dishes, sweet dishes. You can choose to use cream or butter or cheese, anything that you want to use. Basically guilt-free. During the fall, it's a nice seasonal flavor as well. This is your butternut squash mac and cheese. Perfect for the family, perfect for the fall.